Well, good morning. Here we are in Horsforth. Today we've got a lovely job actually. Block paving to the front, Indian sandstone to the back. This is going to be a brilliant before and after video. Block paving to the front and really quite dirty. We've got lots of green and white lichen, we've got moss. This area here really dark, very dirty, very grimy. Again, lots of moss. And then onto this back patio. Frankly, this is really slippery. It's like an ice rink actually, it's that slimy. Well, the brief of this job is that we were asked to clean out the gullies as well because it was thought there was quite a lot of silting. Bit of an underestimation. See that we've got a whole bucket full. So we've washed down all the patio there with the flat surface cleaner, and still there's one or two stubborn organic marks. If you see along the bottom of this wall here, we've got quite a lot of sort of black lichen stains there, organic staining. Same down here, quite bad here actually. So we'll get some of the deep clean foam down and that'll just dissolve those stains away. Well, here we are back in Horsforth, day 2. It's a beautiful, bright, blue sky spring day. And today we're going to resand the blocks of the front driveway.